So, how do you get a better tan as well as lots of other health benefits? What supplement out there can enhance your tan and protect you against UV rays and all the harmful damaging skin effects from that? Well, there's a great little supplement which is one of the carotenoid family. And there's loads of carotenoids. I think there's 70 different types of carotenoids. But one of the most prevalent is something called beta carotene, really rich in vitamin A and it's fat soluble. So if you take this, try and take it with a meal that's got some fats in. Beta carotene is one of the best pre-tanning supplements out there. It will actually help you tan deeper, darker for longer. So beta carotene is that little gem not many people know about. It has loads of other benefits. So it's a powerful antioxidant, incredible for eye health, lung health, cystic fibrosis, osteoporosis. It's got loads of benefits, but if you want a cracking tan this summer, beta carotene. Cheers guys, bye.